be showing you how to do this at-home salon blowout. I'll be using the SRI Dry Q blow dryer for this tutorial to get big bouncy waves and a ton of volume with just one tool. With the tutorial, I'm going to share some tips on how to prepare the hair and then how to finish it for long-lasting volume results. I probably received at least 5 blow dryers last year to review, and I refused to work with all of them because they just weren't amazing. I was gifted the SRI Dry Q by the Skin Research Institute. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, both on myself and my clients, and I've decided to add it to my professional collection and use it in rotation with my other favorite tools. All right, now let's get started. So I always like to start on clean hair. Obviously, this is the foundation to getting good volume, and then of course a good tool that is lightweight and comfortable to use. And that is why I love the SRI Dry Q blow dryer. I also like a blow dryer that is not too loud, but absolute most important thing I look for in a blow dryer is a good, strong airflow. The airflow is what's going to determine the shine, the volume in the hair, and of course how quickly you can actually blow dry your hair. I love that it folds for easy travel. It comes with magnetic attachments, 2 concentrators, and a diffuser. I love its smart, intelligent heat controls and advanced technology. And like I mentioned, I love that it's portable, lightweight, and compact, but still as powerful as a regular sized hair dryer. I always like to section off the hair and start blow drying the underneath layers of the hair. This is where you can actually spend a little bit less attention on, only for the fact that you're going to have other layers of hair on top. So you're not trying to get volume at the roots, you're just trying to get the hair smooth here. As you work your way to the crown of the head, this is where you want to concentrate all the volume. So I like to grab a section that will fit around the brush. I first like to shoot some air from behind that section just to get that section warm underneath, so that when I place the brush underneath, I'm able to place the blow dryer airflow on top of the brush, and therefore I've styled both sides of that section, giving the hair extreme shine. If you want, you can also use large rollers to wrap your hair around while the hair is warm to really set that shape and get a ton of volume. This is of course optional if you want a little bit more waves. If you just want volume at the roots and a smooth style through the ends, you can of course skip this step. When working on the roots and trying to establish volume in that area, it is also important to over-direct the hair from where it's going to be falling. You want to direct the airflow in the opposite direction so that as it falls, it's of course going to look a lot more lifted and that volume is actually going to stay. Now, a few tips that you can do outside of your blowout to really ensure long-lasting results is to apply a volumizing root spray if your hair naturally is really fine or just doesn't typically hold volume. And then this step I think everyone should do is once your hair is blown out, just give your roots a spritz of a texturizing spray or even a dry shampoo. The dry shampoo will give you the added benefit of preventing any oil from starting, and oil at the roots is the enemy to volume. So if you want to maintain your roots voluminous, it is best to keep the oil away, and a dry shampoo is great at doing both. And lastly, if you want to go in with a nice hair oil for some added shine, so just think of using good quality products as an insurance to the time you spent creating this beautiful style. Okay, it is a little past 7 p.m. now. This is the end of the day, and this is all the volume I still have. And a good trick is also to make sure that your hair is completely dry by the time you get to bed, so that you still have great shape the next day. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out links in the description box to get your very own SRI Dry Q hair dryer. And thank you to the Skin Research Institute for sponsoring a portion of this video. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.